Hello and welcome to Cooking Adventures with Karen, where I share my love of cooking with you. Today I am making chocolate ganache that I dip my cake donuts in. I use Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips, butter, sugar, and heavy whipping cream. I prefer milk chocolate as a flavor. To me it's well balanced. I'm not a fan of semi-sweet, but you could use that if you'd like. Most donuts are dipped in a powdered sugar and cocoa powder glaze. I prefer it a bit richer and creamier, so I prefer to make a ganache for mine. Stay tuned and watch as I make milk chocolate ganache and dip cake donuts in it. As always, thank you for subscribing. Remember to click and like and share. I start by weighing out my milk chocolate chips, heavy whipping cream, and adding my butter and sugar to my pot on the stove. I bring my cream up to about 200 degrees while stirring often. I then add my hot cream over my chocolate chips and cover it in saran wrap for 5 minutes. Then I stir my heavy whipping cream and milk chocolate chips to get it to come together. It'll look like it's not coming together, but it will eventually, I promise. Just keep stirring. Nice and creamy. And then I roll out my donut and cut shapes. Today I did hearts and circles. I fry my donuts in vegetable oil at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Until they are nice and golden brown. I dip my cooled donuts in milk chocolate ganache and add sprinkles while the icing is still wet. These donuts are available to order through Confections by Karen, located in Blooming Prairie, Minnesota.